You recently offered your office as a venue for discussion between Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana and UP President Danilo Concepcion over the issue of the DND's abrogation of the 1989 agreement between the two. Have they accepted your offer?
Alinawin ko po na what I offered was my good office. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang yung physical office ko. Pwedeng sa labas po kung saan pakakainin ako ni Presidente Danilo Concepcion. Pero so far po, ang tumanggap lang po ay si Secretary Delfin Lorenzana. Hindi pa po ako nakakarinig ng kahit anong komento kay President Danilo Concepcion. Natatakot po sigurong pakainin ako sa labas.
For Yusek Manny Kaintik po, question from Evelyn Quiros ng Filipino Mirror. Ito po tanong niya, the Commission on Audit has flagged the Department of Information and Communications Technology for using only 1.2 billion pesos out of its 6.2 billion funding for 2019 for a very low fund utilization rate. According to state auditors, a low allotment utilization rate would mean slow program project implementation rate. Can you explain the DICT's inability to maximize the utilization of its budget?
Thank you po. Una, bibigyan ko ng konteksto ang report. Una sa lahat, magpapasalamat kami sa COA for pointing out these deficiencies. We at the DICT recognize the importance of audit reports because it actually helps us pinpoint the problem. But to provide context, the 2019 budget was delayed. It was na-delay ang pag-approve ng 2019 budget. Ergo, everything else followed. But that is not an excuse. But if you look at the COA report, it also identifies in its full report that they helped us pinpoint that there are inefficiencies in the procurement and project implementation, execution. So this has been prevalent for the past 3-4 years. So what we have done with the Honasan leadership is to look at those inefficiencies and fix them. We spent the time, fix them, so that the projects get implemented. Kasi hindi pwedeng bili ka ng bili, pabid ka ng pabid, hindi naman may implement. Take for example the Wi-Fi. For the past 5 years, from 2016 to 2019, 4 years, it has only been averaging an 800 per year deployment. But since we rectified the execution and then we started procuring again, we were able to roll out 4,300 Wi-Fi sites in just 1 year. So you see, we fixed the problem in the implementation and then we procured. Klaruhin ko lang din, the 2019 budget was extended till 2020. And the last report that we have right now, the full utilization of the 2019 budget extended to 2020 is now 80%. So my answer to this is that the DICT is rectifying its programs, always constantly checking the effectivity of the program. We need to be able to manage our vendors, our partners, our execution partners, so that we attain the economic outcomes we desire. Hindi ibig sabihin that hindi natin i-rectify ang ating mga nakagawi ang mga mali.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.